Austin, Bulldog tractor here. Tractor's in storage literally yesterday, so today garage door broke. So we're going to put a new carriage on the garage door. Luckily, we carry spares of these because it keeps, well, killing itself. The grease is a little sticky, and we just swap carriages. That's how we roll around here. Well, first thing is we got to slide the carriage into the track. In order to do that, we got to take the track off. And 9/16 is too big. Can you give me an 8/16?
No. Wait a minute. There's no 8/16. That's half. You tricked me.
This is a product of public education, folks.
Oh,
this
stop.
is what I'm dealing with.
Stop.
Okay, so now that we got our 8/16 socket, we're gonna take the track off. Perfect. And hey, when you're working around grease, these are cheap Harbor Freight 7mm nitrile gloves. Super cheap, but you don't have to wash your hands. And if you're around grease and you're around grime and all that, washing your hands with, harsh detergents dries out our pretty little hands, and then they start getting cracked and dry. Just throw on a cheap pair of gloves.
Cheap, and you get 50 of them.
So in our garage, we just have this screw genie track for the garage door opener, right? The carriages kind of wear out on the sides, and then the carriages fall off. These little ears wear off, then the carriage just falls off about every 2 years or so. So I carry spares of them. So we're just going to put it in the same way that it came off. Put this guy, thread the needle. Oop, missed it. There we go. Now it's secured. Put that up there. And now we just put it back in the opposite way. Check it out. Good as new. Take a little carriage here. Got a cotter pin on the back side. Pull that off, set it down, wipe the grease off. That one falls down. Bar comes up. Pin it, all done. We can take the pull cord off. That's no biggie. Woo!
Yay! It's the little things, Sterling. So what you're saying is I should get that Amazon order for 2 in the works? Because it's probably going to break before winter's end?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, if you see me fixing the garage door, just know you can do it too. Hopefully.
Dad broke the toilet. It wasn't me.
In tomorrow's episode, maybe we'll do a drain and fill valve on a toilet. Who knows? Thanks, guys. I got more off-season work to do, so we'll catch you later.